At a ceremony which saw the strengthening of collaboration between the Grenada Cooperative Bank and First National Bank of St. Lucia, Minister Oliver Joseph commended the two financial institutions for the strides made in seeking to provide better service to its customers. However, he challenged them to lessen the expenses people have to pay when doing transactions with the bank. The minister says customers must be able to feel the positive growth experienced by the institutions.
We need to find ways to reduce banking fees and also to be more transparent about the fees that are being charged. The public is asking for it, and we need to respond. To the extent that this collaboration can result in lower fees or on account of lower costs, will undoubtedly strengthen public confidence in the banking system. And I know the managing director of the Grenada Cooperative Bank knows only too well, economies of scale should lead to reduced costs. So now that I imagine the public will be looking to see the lower costs as a result of economies of scale.
In response, Managing Director of the Grenada Cooperative Bank, Mr. Richard Duncan, said customers will realize a higher value. However, he noted that there may be a further stabilization in banking fees before it is reduced.
Once we can realize the efficiencies that the various projects promise, you will see greater value coming to shareholders and to customers. In fact, you may see a stabilization in fees before you see a reduction. The reality is that banking fees are going nowhere, like disappearing. So stabilization, so the rate of increase obviously would think that you might then eventually see some reduction. So we don't want to unnecessarily delude people into believing that through functional cooperation, banking fees will vanish.
High banking fees have been a concern in Grenada for years, and it is hoped that the collaboration between Grenada Cooperative Bank and First National Bank of St. Lucia Limited will see those fees being reduced. Delroy Lewison, GBN News.